What if the only thing standing between you and the kind of wealth that allows you to live the life you truly desire is your own mindset? Is it the way you're thinking about money and opportunity? I've seen it happen, time and time again. Talented, bright, hardworking people putting in the hours, stuck, trapped, because of the attitudes, the limiting beliefs they carry. It's not about your background, where you came from, or starting point in life. It's about the beliefs, the mindset you bring to the table every single day. Today I'll reveal the 10 most toxic attitudes, the red flags that are quietly, insidiously destroying your chances of building lasting wealth, and most importantly, how to break free from them. This isn't just another generic finance video filled with jargon. It's a challenge, a journey of self-discovery. If you're tired of being stuck in the same place, watch till the very end, and see which attitude, which hidden block, is holding you back from your full potential. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's go! Attitude 1. First up, the scarcity mindset. It's a pervasive way of thinking that can really hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It's a belief that resources are limited, that voice saying, "There's not enough to go around." It whispers doubts and fuels anxieties about running out. You see others succeed and think it's at your expense, as if their gain somehow diminishes your own potential. So you hoard, clinging tightly to what you have out of fear, and avoid risk. You become paralyzed by the possibility of loss. But wealth isn't a zero-sum game. Value can be created, new opportunities can be forged, and wealth can expand, and opportunities are everywhere. They are waiting to be seized. Stop seeing the world as limited. Start believing you can create your own abundance. Shift your perspective. The pie isn't fixed. Bake your own or build a whole factory. Embrace the abundance mindset. Attitude 2, fear of failure. Next, fear of failure. You have ideas, but you're paralyzed by what if it doesn't work. Every successful person has failed, often. Failure is a teacher, not a dead end. Wealthy people fear not trying more than failing. So take action, fail, learn, and move forward. The only real failure is never trying. Attitude 3, procrastination. Procrastination is the silent killer. "I'll start tomorrow" is where dreams go to die. While you wait, others act and win. Every day you delay, you lose time to learn, earn, and grow. Success compounds. Start now, not later. Open that laptop, make that call, take the first step. Your future self will thank you. Attitude 4, blaming others. If you blame others for your situation, you give away your power. Waiting for the world to change is a losing strategy. Take responsibility for your choices, good and bad. Ask, what can I do differently? That's how you regain control. Be the pilot, not the passenger of your financial life. Attitude 5, short-term thinking. Living for instant gratification keeps you broke. Wealthy people delay pleasure for bigger rewards later. They invest in assets, not quick fixes. Small sacrifices today build massive wealth tomorrow. Don't trade your future for a fleeting thrill. Attitude 6, comfort zone. Attachment. Your comfort zone is a financial graveyard. Growth happens when you step into discomfort. Apply for that job, learn a new skill, take a risk. Every breakthrough is just outside what feels safe. The more you embrace discomfort, the more opportunities you unlock. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. That's where wealth is built. Attitude 7, envy of others. Envy wastes your energy and focus. Instead of resenting others' success, study it. What can you learn? Celebrate their wins. There's enough success for everyone. Shift from jealousy to curiosity, and you'll attract more success yourself. Attitude 8, negative self-talk. If you tell yourself you're not good enough, you'll believe it and act on it. Negative self-talk is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Challenge those thoughts. Replace "I can't" with "How can I?" Confidence is built like a muscle. Use it. Speak to yourself like the millionaire you want to become. Attitude 9, entitlement mentality. The world owes you nothing. Wealth isn't handed out, it's earned. People looking for shortcuts or handouts stay broke. Focus on creating value, not waiting for luck. Ask, what can I give? The more value you create, the more wealth flows back. Drop entitlement. Adopt a creator mindset. Attitude 10, resistance to learning. Thinking you know it all will keep you broke. The world changes fast. Keep learning or get left behind. The most successful people are obsessive learners. Be humble, stay curious, and seek new knowledge. Your earning potential grows with your learning potential. Those are the 10 attitudes, the hidden beliefs, the silent assumptions that are keeping you poor. They're the invisible walls holding you back from the financial freedom you deserve. The good news? There's a way out. You can change every single one, rewrite your internal programming and unlock your potential. Starting today, right now, this is your moment. Wealth is 80% mindset. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. 20% mechanics. The strategies, the tactics, the practical steps. Win the battle in your mind, conquer your limiting beliefs, and visualize your success. And you'll win with money. Financial abundance will naturally flow into your life. This is a daily practice, a conscious choice to cultivate a wealthy mindset. Choose abundance, see opportunities everywhere, and believe in your capacity to create wealth. Courage, to step outside your comfort zone, to take calculated risks, and to pursue your dreams fearlessly. And action, consistent, persistent action towards your financial goals. Which attitude hit you hardest? Which limiting belief resonated most strongly with you? Drop it in the comments. Let's start a conversation and support each other on this journey. Like, subscribe, and share this video. If this helped you gain clarity and inspired you to take action, and check out my next video. To see these principles in action, let's build a wealthy future together.